If you're trying to play Mortal Shell 2 and this error keeps popping up, which is the Unreal process has crashed, well, in this video I'll show you how to fix them. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, click on your keyboard Windows plus R, then type in percentage local update a percentage, click OK. Scroll down. Basically this is alphabetical, so go ahead and scroll down and find Mortal Shell 2. So it's letter M. Over here, click on it, Mortal Shell 2, click save games, and go ahead and find the file that says spartagames.settings.sav. So basically what you want to do is right click on it, click rename, and add this section right over here, which is .old. Once you do that, go ahead and click on enter, close that out, restart your PC, and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, we have another solution. Now to do that, go ahead and open up your Steam right over here. Click on library on the top left. Right click on your game. Properties right over here. Installed files on the left panel. And verify integrity of game files. So basically it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be affecting the issue that keeps popping up with this error right over here. So this one worked for me. So wait for it to finish. Once done, it should say all files successfully validated right over here. Close it out and relaunch the game and it should be fixed. Now if the problem still persists, what I recommend is basically disabling all in-game overlays. So if you have Discord overlays or any app that currently has overlays, go ahead and turn that off and relaunch the game and see if the problem still persists. Now one last option is basically updating your graphics driver to the newest one. So go ahead and click on your tray right over here, right click on NVIDIA app. On the left panel right over here, once it pops up, click on drivers and install the latest available driver for you. Click on download. Once the download is done, go ahead and do the installation process, and what I recommend is doing the express installation. And once the express installation is done, to take full effect, right click on your start menu once more and then restart your PC and it should be done. Now I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.